Welcome, let us begin. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. It is important to recognize that the memories and past events which make up a man's historical identity are no more than a selection. Sometimes letting things go is an act of far greater power than defending or hanging on. Most of our childhood is stored not in photos, but in certain biscuits, lights of day, smells, textures of carpet. The greatest legacy we can leave our children is happy memories. That's what the world is, after all, an endless battle of contrasting memories. We didn't realize we were making memories, we just knew we were having fun. The past is a nice place to visit, but not the right place to stay. A memory without the emotional charge is called wisdom. What we remember is probably fiction anyway. Memory is never a precise duplicate of the original. It is a continuing act of creation. I use memories, but do not allow memories to use me. Memories are not fixed or frozen, but are transformed, disassembled, reassembled, and recategorized with every act of recollection. Never let your memories be greater than your dreams. The past does not have to be your prison. You have a voice in your destiny. You have a say in your life. You have a choice in the path you take. Thank you for your time. Stay strong.